Homework Helper AI is a revolutionary new software that just hit the market, and in this review, I'm going to break down the 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about it. If you're someone who's looking for a tool that can really change how you handle homework or assignments, or even just make life easier with AI-powered help, you'll want to stay tuned. I'll also tell you where you can try this software for free, so stick around. First up, Homework Helper AI is designed to help students, professionals, and anyone needing assistance with research, writing, or problem solving. It's essentially an intelligent assistant that can tackle a wide range of academic subjects, from math to literature, to help you ace your homework, essays, and projects faster and with more precision. One of the standout features is its ability to break down complex problems into simpler, easy to understand steps. So, if you're struggling with a math equation or don't quite understand a concept from class, Homework Helper AI can help clarify things quickly. It's like having a tutor at your fingertips, 24/7. The second thing you need to know is that this software uses an advanced AI language model that continuously improves. This means the more you use it, the smarter it gets at providing context-appropriate answers. Whether you're writing an essay and need help generating ideas or researching a topic for a report, this software will give you solid, relevant information every time. Now let's talk about ease of use. Homework Helper AI is super intuitive, even if you're not tech savvy. You just enter your question or prompt, and the software delivers structured and organized information in seconds. It's a huge time saver, especially when you're under pressure and need quick answers or explanations. The fourth point is how versatile it is. Unlike traditional homework helpers that might be limited to specific subjects, Homework Helper AI is broad in its scope. Whether you're tackling chemistry problems, history assignments, or even crafting a creative writing piece, this software can provide tailored guidance for pretty much anything. Another feature worth mentioning is its integration with research sources and references. It doesn't just spit out random information. Homework Helper AI cross-references academic databases and credible sources to offer reliable, factual content. This makes it a great tool not just for solving problems, but for gathering and verifying data for reports and essays. On top of that, Homework Helper AI doesn't just answer questions, it also teaches. The software explains its solutions step by step, meaning you're not just getting the answer, but understanding the process. This is a major game changer for anyone who wants to learn as they go and improve their knowledge long term. Lastly, one of the most important features is that Homework Helper AI is constantly updated. The team behind it is working to enhance its algorithms, add new capabilities, and make sure it stays at the cutting edge of AI-driven academic support. This means you're not getting a static tool. You're using something that evolves as technology advances. To sum it up, Homework Helper AI offers an incredibly effective and versatile solution for students and professionals alike. If you want to save time and improve your academic work, this is one of the best tools available right now, and if you want to give it a try, you can access it completely free through the link in the description below. I've tested out countless AI tools over the years, and I only recommend the ones that really stand out. You'll find a list of those in the description, including Homework Helper AI. Be sure to check it out and let me know your thoughts in the comments.